Hello, it's Mike. If you suspect that you have a virus on your computer, then you can use Windows Malicious Removal tool that's built into your computer. So search for MRT and click on there. It'll take a few seconds to open up. Click on yes, and then your scanner should open up. Click next. Select the full scan option and then click next again, and this will do a really in-depth scan of your computer. It will take quite a while, so just leave it running. If when you're searching for MRT it's not showing in your search results, open an internet browser, search for Windows MRT, and then click on the Microsoft link there, and you can download and run it that way. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.